quick video on the Prusa MK4S enclosure. So we've got going on over here. It does take quite a long time to assemble, but after everything is done, it is definitely worth it. Very nice enclosure. Had to make a special modification for the display, and the inside looks absolutely fantastic as well. Is it worth $500+? I'm not sure, but for now we are absolutely happy with what we ended up with.